Before we get into the nitty-gritty, let me ask you this. Have you ever heard of dropshipping? It's a business model where you sell products without actually having them in stock. Instead, you partner with a supplier who fulfills the orders for you. Now, DSers is a platform that makes dropshipping super easy. They connect you with suppliers, automate your orders, and even offer product research tools. But like any good service, they do come with a price. So, does DSers take a commission? Yes, they do. But how much? Well, that depends on your subscription plan. They have 3 different plans: basic, advanced, and professional. Each plan has a different monthly fee and a different commission rate. Here's a breakdown of the commission rates. Basic 3%, advanced 2%, professional 1%. So, the more you pay for your subscription, the lower your commission rate will be. But even at the highest tier, you're still paying a commission. Now, you might be wondering if it's worth it to pay a commission for DSers. That's a valid question. There are other dropshipping platforms out there that don't charge a commission. However, DSers offers a lot of features that other platforms don't. So, it really depends on your individual needs and budget. If you're just starting out with dropshipping, the basic plan might be a good option. It's the most affordable, and you can always upgrade later if you need more features. If you're already a more experienced dropshipper, the advanced or professional plans might be worth the investment. Ultimately, the decision of whether or not to use DSers is up to you. But it's important to be aware of the commission structure before you sign up. In addition to the commission, DSers also charges a transaction fee for each order. This fee is typically around 50 cents. So you need to factor that into your pricing when you're selling products. Overall, DSers is a great platform for dropshipping. It's easy to use, and it offers a lot of features that can help you grow your business. However, it's important to be aware of the commission structure before you sign up. So there you have it. The answer to the question, does DSers take a commission, is yes. But the amount of the commission depends on your subscription plan. I hope this information has been helpful. If you have any other questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. And with that, I'll say goodbye. Until next time.